Have you ever had a dream so vivid, so clear in your mind, that it felt almost real? Maybe it's a dream job, a relationship, or a life-changing opportunity you've been hoping for. What if I told you that the key to turning that dream into reality is as simple as imagining it? 100 times? Yes, you heard that right. The law of attraction teaches us that our thoughts, beliefs, and intentions can shape the reality we live in. But here's the twist. It's not just about thinking it once or twice. To truly manifest your desires, you need to deeply imagine them over and over again, 100 times. This powerful technique isn't some magic trick. It's backed by science and psychology. Our brains are incredibly adaptable, and by visualizing our goals consistently, we literally rewire our minds to align with them. It's like planting seeds in your subconscious that grow into real opportunities. The more you focus on your dreams, the more you'll start seeing ways to achieve them. So, are you ready to tap into the power of your imagination? Let's dive in and explore how visualizing something 100 times can turn your wishes into reality. It's time to make your dreams real. The law of attraction is based on the principle that our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. The mind and matter are intricately connected, where what we think and believe influences the experiences we attract. Positive thinking, in particular, acts as a powerful tool to draw positive outcomes into our lives. When we focus on optimistic thoughts, we align ourselves with opportunities and situations that resonate with those beliefs. By understanding how our mindset impacts our experiences, we can harness the power of positive thinking to manifest the life we desire, shifting our reality towards success and fulfillment. Our internal dialogue plays a crucial role in shaping the external opportunities we encounter. The thoughts we consistently hold influence how we perceive and respond to the world around us. By aligning our thoughts with what we desire, we create a mental environment that attracts the right opportunities. When we focus on specific goals, we naturally begin to recognize the chances that align with those objectives. This clarity helps us act with purpose and seize opportunities that might otherwise go unnoticed. In essence, shaping your thoughts helps shape the world you experience, guiding you toward success and fulfillment. Visualization is a powerful form of mental rehearsal, where the brain treats vivid mental images as real experiences. By imagining success in specific scenarios, whether in sports, business, or personal goals, we activate the same neural pathways as if we were physically performing the actions. This mental practice enhances performance by strengthening the mind-body connection. Athletes, for example, use visualization to improve their skills and outcomes, while entrepreneurs visualize their business success to align their actions. The psychological power of imagining success boosts confidence, reduces anxiety, and ultimately influences real-life performance, bringing us closer to achieving our goals. Repetition plays a crucial role in subconscious programming by hardwiring the brain for success. When we repeatedly focus on a thought or image, our brain strengthens neural pathways associated with that thought, making it easier for us to align our actions with our goals. This constant reinforcement of positive beliefs shapes our mindset and behavior, creating new patterns that support success. Over time, these repeated actions and thoughts reprogram the subconscious, enabling us to effortlessly work towards our desired outcomes. By consistently practicing positive visualizations and affirmations, we reshape our mental framework, making success a natural part of our reality. Mental imagery plays a vital role in achieving goals by shaping how we experience and manifest our desires. The quality of your mental images directly impacts how effectively you can manifest your goals. Adding sensory details, what you see, hear, feel, and even smell, makes your visualizations more vivid and powerful. This deep mental immersion makes the goal feel more real and attainable, aligning your subconscious with your desires. The more immersive and detailed your mental imagery, the stronger your connection to your goal becomes. This process helps program your mind, making your dreams more likely to become reality. Emotion is a powerful force that strengthens the manifestation process when attached to visualization. By incorporating emotions into your mental images, you create a more vivid and immersive experience, making it feel as real as if it were happening physically. The emotional charge you attach to your desires amplifies their power, motivating you to take consistent action. This emotional energy aligns your subconscious mind with your goals, sending a clear signal to the universe about your intentions. The stronger the emotions you feel, the more likely you are to attract and manifest your desires into your reality. Visualization is a powerful tool to overcome inner resistance and move toward goal achievement. By consistently visualizing success, you replace doubts and fears with positive, empowering images. This process helps challenge and dissolve limiting beliefs, gradually shifting your mindset toward confidence and possibility. When you vividly imagine yourself succeeding, it trains your mind to focus on solutions rather than obstacles. Regularly visualizing your desired outcomes strengthens your belief in their possibility, breaking down barriers that previously held you back. Over time, this practice rewires your subconscious to align with success, making it easier to overcome resistance and take action toward your goals. Clarity in goal setting is crucial for making visualization more effective. When goals are specific and clear, they give the mind a concrete target to focus on, enhancing the power of your visualizations. Vague desires like, I want to be happy, hinder the manifestation process because they lack direction and detail. On the other hand, clear goals, such as I want to start my own business or I want to buy my dream home, provide a focused path. This clarity helps your subconscious mind stay aligned with your intentions, making it easier to recognize opportunities and take purposeful actions toward your desired outcome. Success through visualization often takes time, and it's important to understand that results aren't always immediate. Manifestation is a gradual process, and patience is key. It's easy to get discouraged if progress seems slow, but staying motivated and consistent is crucial. Trust the process and remember that every visualization brings you closer to your goal, even if it's not immediately visible. Persistence is essential. Small, consistent efforts compound over time, leading to bigger results. Keep faith in the journey and stay committed to your visualizations, knowing that with each step, you are aligning more deeply with your desired outcome. Visualization is a powerful tool that primes the brain to take real-world actions toward your goals. When you vividly imagine your desired outcome, your mind becomes more attuned to opportunities and steps needed to make it a reality. However, thoughts alone won't manifest your desires without action. Visualization creates a mental blueprint, but it's through taking consistent, purposeful actions that you bring those mental images to life. By aligning your thoughts with concrete steps, you bridge the gap between imagination and reality, ensuring that your goals not only stay in your mind, but are actively pursued and achieved in the physical world. Mental discipline is essential for achieving success, as it trains your mind to stay focused on your goals. Without a disciplined mind, distractions can easily derail progress. Building mental discipline helps you maintain a consistent daily visualization practice, ensuring that your thoughts stay aligned with your desired outcome. By developing this discipline, you can overcome negative thoughts and external distractions, keeping a clear vision of your goals. The more you practice mental focus, the stronger your ability to stay on course, helping you make intentional decisions and take the necessary actions to turn your visualized dreams into reality. Visualization serves as the bridge between thought and physical reality, transforming mental imagery into concrete manifestations. When you vividly visualize a goal, your mind begins to align with the desired outcome, sending signals to the universe about your intentions. This mental rehearsal activates your subconscious, motivating you to take real-world actions toward your goal. The law of attraction works in tandem, helping you attract the right opportunities and circumstances by focusing your thoughts and energy on your desires. By continuously visualizing and taking aligned actions, you bring your dreams closer to reality, turning them into tangible achievements. Visualization plays a key role in cultivating a growth mindset by nurturing a focus on improvement and personal development. By consistently visualizing success, you train your brain to embrace challenges rather than fear them, seeing them as opportunities for growth. This practice rewires neural pathways, making you more resilient and adaptable in the face of obstacles. Visualization boosts confidence and encourages a positive mindset, helping you to stay focused on progress even during tough times. With each vivid mental image, you strengthen your ability to adapt, learn, and persevere, ensuring that challenges become stepping stones toward your ultimate success. Positive thinking and visualization have a powerful ripple effect that extends beyond your goals, influencing many areas of your life. When you visualize success, you align your energy with abundance, attracting not only the success you desire, but also improvements in health, relationships, and wealth. This positive energy creates a ripple effect in your environment, impacting those around you. Your optimism and focused mindset inspire others, fostering a supportive atmosphere. As you radiate positivity, you naturally attract opportunities, growth, and people who align with your energy, making success and well-being flow effortlessly into every aspect of your life. Gratitude plays a crucial role in enhancing the effectiveness of visualization by shifting your focus to the abundance you already have. When you feel grateful for your goals before they manifest, you send out positive energy that accelerates their attraction. Gratitude aligns your thoughts with abundance, making it easier for the universe to deliver what you desire. By cultivating a daily gratitude practice, you strengthen your manifestations, keeping your mindset focused on the positive outcomes you're attracting. As you appreciate the present moment and the progress you've made, you naturally invite more success, joy, and fulfillment into your life. Visualization is a powerful tool for personal transformation, helping you reshape your identity by imagining a new, empowered version of yourself. By visualizing your ideal self, you create a mental image that aligns with your goals, boosting confidence and self-belief. This practice helps break through personal barriers and limitations, shifting your mindset from self-doubt to possibility. The mental imagery of success and growth reprograms your subconscious, enabling you to take action toward personal evolution. Through consistent visualization, you begin to embody the changes you envision, unlocking your potential and allowing you to step into a more confident, transformed version of yourself. Visualization is a powerful tool for building confidence by helping you mentally rehearse success. When you consistently visualize yourself succeeding, you begin to strengthen your belief in your abilities. Seeing yourself achieve your goals, whether big or small, boosts your self-confidence and reduces self-doubt. This repeated mental practice creates a positive self-image, reinforcing your capability to handle challenges. By visualizing successful outcomes, you overcome fears and doubts, making it easier to take real-world action. The more you visualize your success, the more confident you become, turning imagined victories into tangible accomplishments and building unshakable belief in yourself. Integrating meditation with visualization enhances mental clarity and strengthens the manifestation process. Meditation helps calm the mind, creating a peaceful space where visualizations can be more vivid and focused. By practicing mindfulness, you increase your awareness and ability to concentrate on specific goals, allowing your visualizations to be more powerful. Meditation clears mental clutter, helping you align your thoughts with your desires. When combined with visualization, it deepens the emotional connection to your goals and reinforces a sense of peace and focus. This combination supports greater success as both practices work in harmony to bring your aspirations into reality. Visualization plays a crucial role in problem solving by allowing you to mentally see solutions before obstacles arise. By visualizing the steps needed to overcome challenges, you create a mental roadmap, enhancing your ability to navigate difficulties when they occur. This process engages the brain's creative potential, enabling you to think outside the box and find innovative solutions. Visualizing success not only improves your confidence in handling problems, but also helps you anticipate potential roadblocks and prepare for them in advance. By practicing mental imagery, you train your brain to approach problems proactively, resulting in better decision-making and more effective outcomes. The law of attraction can be applied to everyday life for continuous manifestation by staying mindful of your thoughts and intentions. By focusing on positive goals, you begin to attract opportunities that align with your desires. It's important to notice and act on these opportunities as they arise, whether through meaningful connections, unexpected events, or new ideas. Recognize signs and synchronicities that align with your visualizations, as they often indicate that you are on the right path. The more attuned you are to these subtle cues, the more easily you can seize the opportunities that help bring your goals to life. Visualization is a powerful tool, but the art of letting go is just as important. After visualizing your goal, it's essential to release control and attachment to the outcome. Holding on too tightly can create resistance and block the flow of manifestation. By letting go, you open the door for the universe to work in unexpected ways, allowing opportunities to unfold naturally. Trusting the process and staying open to how your desires manifest creates space for new possibilities. When you detach from the need for a specific outcome, you align with the natural flow of life, bringing your goals to fruition effortlessly. And there you have it. Imagine it 100 times and watch it become real. The power of your mind is limitless, and by using the law of attraction, you can turn your dreams into tangible outcomes. Remember, consistency and belief are key. So, start visualizing, stay focused, and trust the process. If this video inspired you, I'd love to hear about your goals and dreams. Drop a comment below and let me know what you're visualizing to manifest into reality. Let's keep this conversation going and support each other on this exciting journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more powerful content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep visualizing and stay manifesting.